We'll guide you through how to fix the incorrect password error on Instagram. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying as you can't get into your account. If I go and press login here, you'll go and see I go and get the pop-up saying incorrect password. You need to go below the login button, and there you'll see an option for forgotten password. You're getting the error as the password is wrong, so we can reset it and change it so we can get into our account. So tap there, and what you can do is enter in your mobile number or email and we can start finding the account. Alternatively, you can go down and use the email address or username instead. I entered in my email and a code will go and be sent to it. So let me go and check the inbox now. Here it is, and so then what I can do is go and type it in on Instagram. I can go and choose the account this is for, as I've got multiple accounts for it, so I can go and select it, and what I can do is go and enter in a new password. And that will then be the password we need to go and use when signing into the account. And so when you use this new password, you go and make to sign into your account. With the new password, you should be able to go and press login and get into your account without the error.